you sure you want to hear this?
Oh, what did he say? Well, that's